welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be finishing up my paycheck budget for the first paycheck of March 2023, because remember I split my bills up because I'm trying to stay ahead for 1 month. So I kind of like just focus on doing that the first part, but we are going to actually be stuffing my cash envelopes for my everyday spending wallet, and then we are going to finish this paycheck budget. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and count our cash. So our cash for today that we are supposed to be stuffing is $297. Now, there's going to be a little twist to this, so I'm going to tell you guys what it is, okay? All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. All right, so you see 147 here, but as you can see, I said that we're supposed to be stuffing $297. Because the time between cash stuffing and doing this video, we needed to buy groceries, so I had to go ahead and take out the grocery money. That was $150, and I had to go ahead and buy groceries. I could have used my buffer, but by the time I took that out and then put it back in, I can just leave it in. I can just take it out of the cash money so I don't have to deposit it back in there. So that's why I ended up doing that. Okay, all right, so we are actually, like I said, we're on paycheck budget 1, and we're going to be actually stuffing our cash envelopes also. So we already have done this. So we have emergency funds. I've already put the 50 bucks in there, so that will be for our important binder. And debt, I'm not adding anything to this because I do have a few things that I am doing, and I will let you guys know when that happens. And then here we go with our cash envelopes for our cash stuffing. So we can go ahead and get that started now. All right, y'all, I had to do some rearranging here. So we're going to go ahead and stuff our cash wallet. So for Chris, we are actually going to be doing, I got Chris and Boba kind of turn around the wrong way. Let's go to Chris. Chris, we already have $5 in there. So we are going to do $5 left, and we're going to add $5 for this. So we're not doing a big stuffing. And every single time when you do your cash envelope stuffing, y'all not going to have a lot of cash if you're pretty much just basically starting out. So I like to do budgeting also to show you guys that I don't stuff a lot of cash all the time either. And it is okay. Because not everybody has a lot of money to stuff all the time. Okay, so we got $10. Okay, so next we have boba. Why's my money all sideways? Okay, so next we have boba, and boba will be getting $5. All right, so we have, and I don't think I have anything left in my other envelope, so I can just do a line here. And this is actually just going to be $5. So we got $5 for boba. All right, next we're going to do household. Household, I don't really need anything because we have enough supplies. So we're just going to do $2 for household, and doesn't that look crazy? So that will be $2. All right, next we have personal. Personal, only giving myself $20. Y'all, I really don't need anything right now. I think I have everything that I pretty much need, so that's going to be $20. All right, so next, groceries. We're not stuffing anything in groceries because we've already taken the money out for groceries, so groceries will be $0. And y'all, when I tell you I use $150, I use $150. I use the whole thing. So groceries, we are not stuffing anything. Now Aiden, we are going to do $15, so we're going to do 110 and 5 1 1 2 3 4 5. Plus the 10 will give us 15. All right, so Aiden will get $15. Next, we have Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, I do not need to put anything in there because I really don't need anything from there. Next, we're going to do gas. Gas, we're going to do $60, so 20, 40, 60. And I use the crap out of my gas money this time. All right, so next we have Eat Out. So Eat Out, we're going to do 30. Hopefully I won't use this money for Eat Out, but just in case, you never know. So we're going to do $30, and that is $30 for gas. And then for giving, we are actually going to do $10. And that will make us have $10. All right, y'all, this was like super quick, fast cash stuffing here. I told you I didn't have a lot in here to stuff. So we are pretty much done with our cash envelope stuffing. All right, so let's move back over. What we need to do, we don't have anything on in sinking funds. I think when I do my pay myself side hustle this week, I'm going to add to my sinking funds, but as of now, I'm not going to add to it. In my 50 envelopes, I did that on my TikTok actually, and I did add $53 from this paycheck budget. So we can go ahead and put $53 there. We got $50 here. And that is a 0 there. And I think we did it on the other sheet. So now what we need to do is see what we have left. So I am gonna have a lot more left for my bills because I only did a third of it. So that's why I have more. And I know you're probably saying, you could put that towards debt, but I wanna make sure I keep that in because like I said, this is a different method that I'm doing. So I wanna make sure that I got all of my I's dotted and my T's crossed, right? All right, so we got $1,092. We're gonna subtract the 50 for the emergency fund. So that is $1,042. All right, so this is nothing. So $1,042. All right. So now we're gonna subtract our $297. And that will give us the $745. And then we don't have anything here. So that's going to keep us at $745, and we have minus the 53, and that is $692. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take our total income and subtract it from our expenses. Now, I pretty much almost forgot that when I did do my other video, someone did comment and say, hey, Tina, the calculator didn't take the 165. So, thought about it, and I had to adjust the expenses. Okay, so the income is $2,397, so $2,397. So we're going to subtract our total expenses, which is $1,305 plus $50 plus $297 plus $53. Okay, so that'll give us a total of $1,705. So let's go ahead and subtract these amounts. $2,397 minus $1,705, and that will give us our $692. Yeah, that just hit me. So our buffer will be $692. That I needed to put the other amount and fix that. So shout out to y'all always sticking behind me and making sure that I'm doing this right. All right, so we are pretty much done with this cash envelope stuffing and then plus our paycheck budget. And I like to do it with the low amounts to show you guys that you don't have to have like $5,000 that you're doing for your budget or $2,000 that you're doing for your budget. You just have to work with whatever size budget you have and it will work for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for chilling with me. And until next time, guys, peace.